What's up, everybody? My name is Jeremy Vesey, and today we're going to talk about the 10 online resources that every designer should know about. Printful is a great fulfillment service. It allows you to sell your goods on your website, no need for inventory or shipping because they take care of that, and they even put your logo on the box. Some alternatives to the Printful are Kite and Amplifier. Unsplash. Unsplash delivers incredible stock photography for free with a commercial license, and you can use this for various projects, whether it ranges from web design or just using it as an image behind your type. This one may seem pretty obvious, but Freebie Sites. Some of those may include Pixel Surplus, Pix Eden, Pixel Buddha. Creative Market has freebies on their site, Design Cuts. Freebie Sites are a great place to find fonts, graphics, add-ons, plugins, and more without even spending a penny. And who doesn't like free stuff, honestly? So just continue to grow your list of freebie sites that you visit because there's so much on each freebie site. Mobrise. This is an incredible drag and drop desktop application for web design and wireframing that is available for free. I was surprised to find this. Even if you're just trying to mock something up for a client as an example, this tool is extremely quick and easy to use. SimilarWeb. I find myself using this to compare my website with other websites, or simply checking out analytics, data, incoming and outgoing sites. If you're a blogger or host a website, this is a great spot to find useful information about other sites that cater to your demographic. Hopper HQ and Drubler. I stumbled across Hopper HQ and didn't think it was real. I've been trying to schedule Instagram posts for a while, but no application was completely automated. I didn't want push notifications telling me to post. I wanted something that posted for me. Hopper HQ is the first app that has actually let me do this. Speaking of scheduling posts, Drubler is a great site for scheduling Dribble posts. I've been using it for months now. HowMuchToMakeALogo.com. This is a great comparative tool when thinking about pricing a logo for a client. And use this as just a starting point. If your pricing is around the same as the website, it's a good tool to send a client to add a little bit of confidence to your quote. How much does a website co.st? Created by the same people who made How Much to Make a Logo, web designers can use this as a starting point if they're trying to figure out their pricing. Crew.co. Crew is actually the company that created the last two websites I mentioned. They're a matchmaking service for freelancers and clients, and they're not on a race to the bottom in terms of pricing. Color schemes on Dribble. Having trouble finding a color scheme for your project? Well, you should try Dribble's color schemes. Every post on Dribble has color swashes on the side that indicates the shade of color that they used. You can then use those for your project. Find the perfect color: yellow, blue, orange, green, whatever you want. Just type it into the search bar and then you can find color schemes with those colors. So I hope you found this useful. You may have known some of the ones on the list, but there are new services coming out all the time. If there's a resource or service that you love, share it below in the comments section. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.